I chose sports medicine because I love learning about the human body and how that applies to sports.
Most of the time we have athletes that want to get involved in medicine, but they don't exactly know how. So we kind of branch out and show them the different careers under the sports medicine umbrella. What our students will learn junior and senior year, junior year is more medical based, so we'll learn about specific injuries, basically working from the ground up, foot and ankle, work our way up through the knee, hip, and then go to shoulder, and then we'll get in some other medical conditions. And then senior year, we'll get into some more exercise-based activities where all of our students will graduate with their CPT, Certified Personal Trainer, from the National Academy of Sports Medicine.
Last year we were CPR and AED certified. We also get OSHA certified. Some job skills that I've gained from this program would definitely be networking, because at the HOSA events we get to talk to a lot of different people that are future health professionals.
Also how to properly manage injuries and how to care for those in emergency situations. Also just documentation, so you know how to document everything correctly and legally.
So I'd like to play baseball in college, and I want to study exercise science. A lot of these courses that I've taken through the sports medicine program have allowed me to gain college credit.
So with our students, we're going to try and place them according to their future career plans. Usually by the time they're senior year, we'll kind of evaluate and see if you want to go PT, okay, we're going to set you up at maybe Cleveland Clinic or one of our other partners that we've partnered with. If you want to do strength conditioning, we might send you over to, Elite Fitness or personal training gym or something along those lines. So everybody's going to have some opportunity to kind of get their feet wet in the field.